These are the main four types of codes that a diagnostic machine will give you. The first type are the current codes, and these represent a current issue that has not yet been fixed with the car. The second type are the history codes or stored codes, and these represent a past issue or something that was wrong but now is fixed. The other type is the pending codes. If the computer realizes something wrong within the car, for the first time it triggers what we call a pending code, but this code does not display a check engine light. If the issue repeats again, the code changes from pending to current. If it doesn't, the computer automatically erases the code. And then the other type is the permanent code. And the permanent code, this is a type of code that you cannot just erase by erasing the fault codes. Even if you erase it, it will come back. And these type of codes are basically those related with emissions. For example, one is to do with catalytic converters and so on. So the reason you cannot erase them is there is what we call emission testing, and this was usually in USA, whereby people could just erase codes and pass the emission tests. So some of these codes you cannot erase them until the computer has tested and verified that the car has passed the emission test. So that is a permanent code.